These banana stems form the foundation of sanitary pad production, beginning their journey here on farms.
See how dense these stems are. That's crucial for the absorbency performance.
Yes, this cluster is perfect for the sanitary pads.
Mechanized harvesting increases banana stem output while preserving fiber quality for sanitary pad production.
Controlled field drying stabilizes banana stem moisture, improving fiber performance in sanitary pad manufacturing.
From plantation to industry, banana stems begin their transformation into sustainable sanitary pad products.
Once harvested, banana stems move from farmland into organized logistics, supporting sanitary pad manufacturing. Accurate weighing links banana stem supply volumes directly to sanitary pad production planning systems.
Secured transport keeps banana stem fibers stable during long journeys to sanitary pad factories.
Wait here a moment while I check this. Okay, you can proceed to Bay 5.
Here, banana stems await transformation, beginning the industrial journey toward finished sanitary pad products.
Banana stem materials officially enter the sanitary pad factory, transitioning from logistics into controlled industrial processing.
Industrial washing removes contaminants, preparing banana stems for safe sanitary pad fiber extraction.
Sorting systems separate usable banana stem fibers while diverting waste from sanitary pad production.
The new shredder is performing perfectly.
And the pneumatic transport is keeping up with the volume.
Pre-processing ends as banana stem fibers stand ready for transformation into sanitary pad cores.
Fiber extraction begins as banana stems enter powerful machines designed for sanitary pad material separation.
Parallel extraction lines maximize banana stem fiber output for high-volume sanitary pad production. Sensor-guided conveyors maintain uniform banana stem fiber flow for consistent sanitary pad performance. Extraction completes the transformation from banana stem to usable sanitary pad fiber material. Industrial washing removes impurities from banana stem fibers, ensuring hygienic standards for sanitary pad manufacturing.
Drying tunnels use controlled heat to prepare banana stem fibers for sanitary pad manufacturing.
Fluffing machines separate banana stem fibers, creating absorbent structures ideal for sanitary pad cores. Refined banana stem fibers await transport to sanitary pad assembly lines. Transformation complete.
Air-laying machines arrange banana stem fibers into uniform absorbent cores for sanitary pad manufacturing.
Cover sheets seal banana stem cores, completing primary sanitary pad layer construction.
And adhesives are added to banana stem core sanitary pads for secure placement.
Finished sanitary pads with banana stem cores proceed to packaging, ready for consumer distribution. Automated wrapping seals individual banana stem sanitary pads in protective pouches for distribution. Metal detectors screen banana stem sanitary pad cartons, ensuring consumer safety before distribution. Stretch wrapping secures banana stem sanitary pad pallets, protecting products during transportation and storage. Complete facility transforms banana stem waste into sustainable sanitary pads, ready for consumer markets.
Massive warehouses maintain optimal conditions for banana stem sanitary pad storage before global distribution.
Export teams certify banana stem sanitary pad shipments meet international standards for global distribution.
Regional centers distribute banana stem sanitary pads to local retailers, ensuring widespread consumer accessibility.
Global markets embrace banana stem sanitary pads, demonstrating sustainable innovation meets consumer demand successfully.